Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, before we get into the next segment, I'm sick and tired of the names that I'm getting. Wani, Crutchy, One Foot, Buck. I can't stop now. But any two Jamaica.
May calling none of them?
Yes, let's not get into that. Now, every November, World Vegan Month is celebrated worldwide as a time to shine a light on the vegan movement. Joining us is Chef Akai Lindsay, CEO of a cafe, to show us how to make quick and easy vegan bites on a budget.
Hi, Akai. What's up? Okay, we're talking about the name Akafe. I'm good. Right. How are you?
I'm doing good.
So he was explaining that Akai and it's a cafe.
Right.
So
I got it.
A cafe.
I got it.
You did?
I did.
Yay!
Wow.
All right, World Vegan Month. It is November. I never knew that as a November born, so now I know something.
Yes.
I have to tell you the truth, I ain't nothing vegan from the month started. Oh. But it's gonna start today. What are you making for us?
Okay, so what I have for you guys today, very quick and simple. If you're looking for vegan meal on a budget,
right.
So what I have for you today is a vegetable quesadilla. So this can be callaloo, it can be breakfast leftover from this morning. It's already mixed with vegan cheese. I'm just going to pour it in the pot.
Vegan cheese?
Yeah, we have vegan cheese now.
Where you come from?
You know what? I'm not going to question
all right,
that.
No, we never know. And you know what I would love for you to do while you're preparing and you're saying this.
Some grilled corn.
Yeah. Can you give us the grilled corn and what is that?
This is caramelized onion. Just a little sweetness. Give it a little mix.
Which is weird because onion itself is not sweet. So what do you do for the caramelization?
So when you caramelize the onion, with sugar in it, which is a fructose, it breaks down, so it makes the onion sweet.
So you cut up the onion and put sugar in it?
No, no sugar. So it produces its own sugar.
Oh, you not add sugar?
No.
The natural, the simmering process makes the onion sweet?
Yes.
Wow.
So this is already a prepared product. It's simple quesadilla.
Never know that.
So on the grill, you just give it a little time. So this is the end product right here.
Right.
So over here, what I have
the end product, which means that you filled.
Yes. So it's already filled and it's on the grill. So you just give it a little sizzle.
Okay, all right. Okay, just put it there. The other person will be like, wait, just put that up there. So what is?
So it's a hot plate.
Right. No, the wonder what's inside of it.
So whatever is inside of it,
the same thing that you mix.
It's a filling.
You just fill it and you just put it on the hot grill.
Yes.
All right.
Cool.
So it's going to be a nice little char on the crust right there. So what I have for you over here, people think vegan meal has to be like boring or it always has to be like lettuce and stuff like that. Yeah. People, it doesn't have to.
Like people think I'll cook goat tongue.
Yeah. So what I have for you here right now is a pita sandwich. So it's a wheat pita grilled. So what's on the inside is black bean, corn, I have some cucumber, I have some chickpea, all grilled and toasted, and it is stuffed in the pita bread. And that's a wheat pita bread.
A wheat pita bread.
Did you like put the pita bread on the grill first before?
Yes. So it's grilled and then I slice it open. Some pita bread have that little pocket inside, so you can actually fill it like a sandwich. Yes.
All right, because that's the thing with vegan meals, you know. We're used to the burst of flavors coming out of our meats and stuff like that. And that's the challenge in finding vegan food that still gives you that burst of flavor, that mouth-watering. Yeah, man, Mika.
You want food, you know, when you went burst of flavor. You know, say you loveth your belly.
Through.
So what I have for here is a salad. So it's a mix of like root vegetables. So in this I have some sweet potato, I have tofu in it, I have caramelized jackfruit, I have some pumpkin seeds, I have some craisins, I have some sweet potato, and just give it a nice little. I mean, everybody that air fryer now is a chef.
True.
So as long as you mix everything.
By the way, I just got an air fryer for my birthday, so you know you're gonna have to give me some of these recipes.
Yes. So you put in some nice.
Shut up. I'm cook for you. I'm cook for you.
You must be mad.
So you cut them in some nice size bite cubes. Give them about 15 to 20 minutes in the air fryer. Get them nice and roasted, nice and crusty, and then.
But you know what, chef? Tofu don't have no taste in it. So do you not have to season it to give it a particular flavor?
So I'm going to get to that. So I actually marinated the tofu in a vinaigrette dressing. Yes. So it's a vinaigrette dressing, salt, oil, a little vinegar. I'm
going to ask this. Well, you said it's vegan on a budget.
Yes.
Something like this. How much would it cost?
Ballpark high, about 2,500.
2,500.
So all 3 pieces of these?
No,
just one.
Right,
it's more.
everything.
It's more. Okay.
Yes. So in the pack of flatbread, you probably get about 5.
Right.
So you'll have it to stretch. And I mean,
so if $2,000 can get you all the ingredients, and you can prepare something like this, you have multiple meals.
Yes.
Because I could only eat like 2 pieces of these at any one time.
Yes.
And one time.
Well. Like this is just one serving.
Right.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah, but could I eat this 2 times? Breakfast and our lunch and supper.
Okay, same for this as well. Ballpark high, I would say about $3,000.
$3,000.
Yeah.
So we're looking at $5,000 here, and you're looking maybe like three
meals.
days worth of food.
Yes. So now this salad is a salad I actually have now being supplied by CPJ.
Right.
So it's actually mixed greens. I have some mandarin in there as well, some craisin, some pecan nuts, some carrots, some cherry tomato. Very easy. Now, if you're like me, after you spend 25 hours in Kingston traffic trying to get home, very easy grab and go.
But these are things that you can pre-prepare, like meal prepping, and then you just pick up and go for the week.
Yes. Perfect.
And the craisin is what now? Because I know raisin and I know cranberry.
So craisin is cranberry dried. And raisin is grape dried.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
We know.
She didn't know that.
No, it's crazy. I thought it was just like cranberry.
That's 1 point for me.
Yes.
I did. Oh, 1 point. All right.
That's 1 point. He's flipping it now. You should have been paying attention.
So for persons who would want, you would probably like to come in and like prepare some of these meals for them. Is there an option for that, where you can, you know?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. So you can reach out to me through my Instagram, which is akafe_Akai Lindsay. I do house call. I do personal chef. So if you need me, I'm available.
Either one. Do you have a cafe that we?
Not yet.
I'm funny. Do you have a cafe that we can visit?
I will tell you this. I will never book you for slightly. When persons ask, when we are preparing meals that has this vegetable base, how long can it last before you have to consume it?
Okay, so like a salad like this, max 3 days.
3 days.
3 days. Because vegetable has a lot of water soluble on the inside, so the longer it stays on the fridge, it starts breaking down.
But that's weird, because if I have a tomato whole, it can last more than 3 days.
You have a what?
A whole tomato.
Whole. W-H-O-L-E.
Or a whole cucumber without cutting, it can last.
Yeah, that's
why
different.
the cutting make it go bad quicker?
The cutting makes it go bad quicker because it's out in the oxygen, it's out in the atmosphere. The dehydration from the fridge, it dries it out, so it just...
You never do.
You never know that.
You never do biology? Like, what do you do to skip the class?
No, you know, me do human and social biology.
And you never know?
Yeah, fool, me pass too.
Are you pass?
Yeah. So, nice and melted on the inside.
Right.
As soon as it's melted, ready to go.
Ready to go.
So you don't need to get toasted. You can have it like
it's
that.
optional.
If
it's
you
how
want.
you like
But
it.
what is...
Yeah, but I prefer it soft. Some people prefer hard shell, soft shell. I'm a soft shell kind of guy.
I don't like the soft.
How you like it?
I want it a little firm and crispy. The shell.
Dejan,
Yeah.
listen to me. I'm going to make it through this entire show with my job.
Thank you.
Okay.
We're talking about the... What you said his name? Quesadilla?
Yes.
There you go. You want to taste
Simple.
If you want.
it? Can I make him taste it?
Sure.
Let me, can I, do I need something
No,
to hold it?
you can taste.
I just want to make you
You taste it. No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not doing that. No, Dejan, you're not doing that. Dejan, you taste it, Dejan. Dejan, you taste it. No, Dejan.
You see something?
No, you taste it.
All right, me a bite piece on the
No, you bite it. For taste something. Listen to.
Cheers, something nice.
Chef, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Akai, from
Clyde, you want to
Cafe.
taste it?
Where can persons find you on social media?
So
no,
my
you have it.
social
Stop putting
is
things in my...
akafe_Akai Lindsay. So it's AKAFE_Akai Lindsay.
It smells good.
good.
I'm not telling you, it smells
Me
good.
know, that's why it
Listen,
tastes good too.
Don't go anywhere, eat. After the break, Shanae Brown talks to us about her journey to the crown of Miss Earth. Listen, you can't put things in. You can't do that.
Yeah.